Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to move subjects from one image to another with the help of your Samsung phone. This is cool if you want to combine photos or create custom edits. Let's jump right into it. Open the Gallery application on your Samsung device and select the image on which you want to take the subject and transfer it to another image. By selecting the image, choose the subject you want to mark by holding on it until you notice that circles are created on the display around your finger. After that, by moving the subject itself, you can see how the subject itself moves. Now we are going to copy it by holding the subject again, where the application will open a small window for you to click on the copy option. By clicking on the copy option, you can go to the next picture where you want to add the subject you copied from the previous picture. Then, on the new image, you should keep your finger on the image itself until an option appears, Paste, on which you will click. You can now paste the copied item onto this image. After pasting the object, you can resize or resize it to fit perfectly in the new image. When you're happy with the destination, tap Save to complete the edit. And that's it! You have successfully moved an item from one image to another. And there it is! With just a few simple steps, you can create great photo edits using your Samsung phone. If this guide helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.